ಮಳೆ ಶುರುವಾಯಿತು, ಮಾತು ಶುರುವಾಗಲಿ.
Good morning. So day 2. We just started packing now, waiting for the breakfast. I'm actually like I said, I didn't really have like a plan in Wayanad. What I did in the morning is that I will show you. I just know that Wayanad is beautiful. I don't know what are the places to see. I don't want to go to all that famous places as well. So this is what I did. See here, we are somewhere near Vythiri, and we will. I routed the map in such a way that it will go around this forest region, and I don't know the places and like any known places or something. Anyway, I just wanted to do the route and come back here and by evening. So this is the plan for now. We will go right towards Wayanad now. It's about 160 kilometer all throughout, I guess. Yeah, 160 kilometers. So sure, for us I think it will take about almost full day. Wearing the same wet socks because I don't have a raining pant, and though this is rainproof, because of the water actually goes through this, and this shoes was like filled with water yesterday. All the banana chips, parampori. ಏನೋ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತನದು. But there was a screeching sound. I'm not sure why. Just for a second it was there, now it's not there. Okay, Nijin told to take some ride from here, goes to Banasura Dam. Let's see. Wow. ಇದೆಯಾ ಕುಲ್ಲು ಬಲ ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾರು ಕಾರು. It's full, so we can't go. Okay, can't turn here, so this is the only way. This is why I love taking the Duke. You can do some masala and everything, turn like this. I think when there is less water it will be nice viewpoint, so that's why my friend suggested, I think. But it's too much water now.
പോവണ്ട. നീളിലാകെ പോപ്പിനാണ്. അതാ വ്യൂ പോയിന്റ്. They are awkwardly staring and we are awkwardly staring as well. So this is worst. Akkada poda? Akkada. Idu road alla? Idu road alla? Road alla? Dam. Anga pa road. Came for this unknown place. Probably not unknown, but we just took some off-road. So this is the Banasura Dam. I mean, it's a dam water. You can't see the dam. I think it's somewhere on the other side. There are some nice view resorts over there, and we actually went to their house. They said it's not the road, so we just came here for the weave actually. So that's the dam up there, and there's this much of walking. There is also a van where you can pay 10 rupees and they'll also drop, but problem is that we have to wait until it gets full, and there are no people here today. It's like a very less people, so we thought we'll just walk. Okay, the Banasura Dam is done. To be honest, I don't know what to expect here. It's like a normal view. It's not that extraordinary as like many of them suggested. It was okay for me. Probably, I don't know, just not my type. It's kind of actually waste walking all the way till here. Now we will probably go towards the around that forest area which I've shown in the morning. So that's the route we will be taking now. ഹോട്ടലിൽ ഇരിക്കാ?
ഹോട്ടലാണോ?
ആ,
ഹോട്ടലിൻ്റെ ഇവിടെ ടൗണിൽ കൊണ്ടുണ്ട്.
ഓക്കെ. അങ്ങനെ ഈ റൂട്ടിൽ
ഇതിലൂടെ ഉണ്ടല്ലേ? ഇവിടെ പോയി അടുത്ത ടൗണാ.
ഓക്കെ.
മുളക്കര ടൗൺ ഉണ്ട്.
ആ, വെള്ളമുണ്ട പോകും.
വെള്ളമുണ്ട പോണാ? അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ ഓട്
ഒന്ന്. ആ, ഡ്യൂക്ക് KTM ഡ്യൂക്ക് 200. ബാംഗ്ലൂർ. അത് ബാണാസുര ഡാം പോയി ഈത്ത വെള്ളമുണ്ട. വാട്ടർ ഇത് 90,000. ആ, ക്യാമറ ഓൺ. കൊല്ലോ ഊർത്ത് പോകുന്നില്ലേ? We became an instant celebrity here. Bye. Vellamunda. This is Vellamunda. Makkiyad. Thanks. മഴ ശുരുവായിട്ടു. എങ്ങനെ പഠിക്കാറുള്ളൂ. bridge look like the bridge in the movie Premam. Not sure. It looks similar. Oh, this is nice, yeah? This is nice. We stopped here because this bridge looked familiar. I think it's not the same. There's some similar bridge I've seen in a movie. I learnt many of the Kerala places actually today. We came via Thottilpalam. I think from there we were supposed to take Peruvannamuzhi dam, which we will be going now. Peruvannamuzhi, I think. So that place we could have taken from Thottilpalam, but they suggested not to take that one. So we came to Kuttiady, and from Kuttiady we take a left hand. We're just passing through that highway and we saw this bridge. We'll be now going to that Peruvannamuzhi. I'm not sure if I'm spelling it correct. So this place is really nice. If you see that background, the Kerala. One stretch from Thottilpalam to almost Kuttiady was bad because there was so much traffic. Apart from that, it was amazing. Mostly. So this is the dam. Kakkayam. Whatever. Beautiful. So this is like a normal place, just a roadside, but if you see here, let me show you. Amazing view. This is what actually gets me. I don't really need like all that famous places. These are like, it's not a viewpoint, it doesn't look like a viewpoint, it's just the side of the road, but see the amazing view on the backside. It's crazy. We went to the dam, but we didn't even stay for like 2-3 minutes. We came back, but this place is simply amazing. You could see there's a valley up there. I think that's the valley, and there are a couple of waterfalls as well. We're still actually going towards Kakkayam, and then we have to go to Vythiri. I think we are running late. I guess we will be night by the time we reach Vythiri. Anyway, no regrets. My shoes are still wet and my legs are kind of paining. I don't know. The skin is getting peeled off now. ಒಂಜಿ ಅಲ್ಪ ಪೋಲಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ಪ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ತೋಜಿನ ತುಳು ದಾಲಜ್ಜ This place is so nice. It's very narrow, only for like one vehicle. It's so good, like both the sides. So let's go, we will be late. That guy think I'm racing with him, so he's actually going that fast. Oh man. This is the same viewpoint. I mean, we were standing that side. This is the Luckily viewpoint. Yay! It goes inside. I mean, there's a lot of water, so it's actually paining now below. The problem is I used to go with the wet shoes even before as well, but that was like a sports shoe and it gets wet and then the water goes off and it gets dry. But this is a waterproof shoes, so if the water goes from the top, the water always remains in the shoes.